And of course, you're watching the best morning show on TV. It's the AM Club. And we're still here at our Silicon Square studios in East Legon. We're having so much fun. Coffee daily done, lifestyle daily done. Because today's Friday, Foodie Friday is also done. It's now time for the plug. And as always, you know, with the plug, we like to connect to very talented and skilled people out there doing amazing stuff. And today is no exception. Ladies and gentlemen, let the drums roll as we introduce our guest for this morning. It's Dayonthetrack, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, Day on the track. You know, it was the smile for me. It was the smile. It was the smile for me.
Thank you.
And the hair as well. Your baby girl will have loads of hair. I'm just putting it out there.
No homo, but you're cute. He's a cute guy.
I know, he's a very cute guy.
cute
It's the smile, the face, everything.
Oh, let's mention that. I'm sure he doesn't want us to do this, but let's mention that that's Chrissy Arthur's brother.
I can
Look
see
at
the resemblance. The smile
Striking
and
resemblance.
yes, I can see the resemblance.
This one is
as well.
fresher though.
Fresh boy.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, Dayonthetrack,
Yes.
welcome to the AM Club.
Thank you.
We're glad to have you. You're not going with the sneakers, as I always tell people. You're leaving the sneakers behind. So, Day, let's get to know you properly. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Basically, I'm an artist. I mean, I do more of Afrobeat, high life. But I basically like to try every other sound as well. I mean, but I really like
The voice, right?
I'm just listening to him like, oh, wow.
The voice sounds like
Okay.
That's
okay,
amazing.
Sorry.
Anyways.
Yes, please go on.
We're
Yeah,
going to
so-
behave. Okay.
So I like to try Afrobeat more, yeah, basically.
Hey, that's amazing. And when it comes to music itself, regardless of what part of music, how long have you been doing music?
I mean, since I was very small, probably when I was like 6, 7.
Okay.
Yeah, because I used to listen to a lot of gospel and I used to like come up with my own gospel songs.
Okay.
And I mean, I still sometimes just come up with my own gospel songs.
So
Like when I'm
did
just
you
there
used to
on my-
sing them
on
or
my
rap
time.
them?
I just sing them like.
Oh, so you
you
sing?
can sing.
I sing actually.
And no knowledge you go without
Yes.
singing, but you go ahead. And
Yeah,
then-
so I used to sing a lot of gospel songs. So when I'm just there normally, like I just come up with the gospel
Yeah.
idea, and I still attend Pentecost. So
You're a Pentecost boy, eh?
yeah.
Wow.
Odi man, pai boyo. Odi man, pai boyo. Anyway, and so Day, your new track. Let's talk about your new track first. It's called
Say yes.
Say Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Tell us a little bit about it because we want to check it out.
It's basically an Afrobeat sound, and it's off my album on Red Messages. Yeah, and I'm dropping it as like a series of singles.
Okay.
Yeah, so after that, I'll just compile it and then I just put it out there.
For those who may not know you, I want us to check out the Say Yes video and come back and continue the conversation with him. So, shall we check it out, please?
Hey, what are we? Do you just want me as a friend? I want to know what's happening between us. Because you haven't proposed yet.
Girl, I got the plans for you. Me, I not gonna lie to you now. Everything I give to you. Oh, yeah. Tell me who go fight for you. If you not be me for you, who go stick it tight to you? Oh, yeah. Baby, you know. Say if I buy two, it's for me and you. Baby, you know. Say I go like to marry you. So baby, would you say yes? You just say yes. We don't run away, far away. baby, would you say yes? You just say yes. We gon' run away, far away. Would you say yes? Would you say yes? Oh, we gon' run away.
We're far away. Would you say yes?
Would you say yes? We go run away, far away.
Oh.
I don't know. I want you to sing.
want
I'm
you to
like,
sing.
me too. I love
want them
it.
to laugh at
But
my
that's
voice,
an
yeah.
amazing video. It's so simple. I love how
Very
simple
simple
the
it
video
is.
is. And there's subtitle as well, so you know.
You can
You
learn
can,
it
exactly, you
easily.
can learn the
Would
lyrics
you say
very
that?
easily. Yeah.
Question on my mind though, do you feel pressured in any way looking at the success of your brother
Not at all.
at all?
Nah.
If for anything, it's an inspiration for you to
Yeah. if
work
for
hard.
anything. Yeah.
Anyways, and I was talking about collaborations. Are you going to do something with him?
Yeah, we actually have a lot of collaborations coming up. I mean, we help each other write songs. I help him write songs. He helps my songs. I mean, we are already like working together. I mean, but just that I have a sound that I want to like put out,
Yeah.
and I just want, people to like understand the sound I want to bring out.
Okay.
No pressure at all.
No pressure.
Okay,
Nice.
so in where do you see yourself in, like, let's say the next 2 or 3 years when it comes to your craft?
I just see myself making better music, understanding my sound, and like doing it, more freely and like peacefully.
He's really bad in the way he said. First, he says understanding his crafts,
Yes.
and doing better.
Yeah.
That is very honest and very,
Yeah,
very
absolutely.
inspiring to hear. And Jen, overall, what do you make of the music industry in Ghana now?
I think it's good. I mean, there's no better industry to succeed in than Ghana, honestly, I feel. Our people have the ears to listen, and they have an app to like criticize as well.
Yeah.
And for an artist who is looking to do better for yourself, I think it's probably the best, because you can analyze yourself more after the criticism and like, be able to do better.
And beyond what you want to do, like working with your brother and all that, are there other people you hope to, as you better your craft, like you said, as you grow, are there other people you look forward to working with,
Yeah,
both
I mean,
locally and internationally?
yeah, I'm really hoping to work with a lot of high life artists. I
That's
mean,
more
Daddy
of your
Lumba,
sound,
yeah,
right? Yeah.
Yeah, I just really love those people. And maybe work around the sound of Ebo Taylor a bit. And
Ebo
then,
Taylor?
Yeah. And I mean, outside Africa, maybe The Weekend.
Yeah, that would be
Yeah.
that would be a good
maybe.
collaboration. Okay, but then so far, since you started your journey, would you say that you've encountered any challenges being like an artist, or even when it comes to the sound, the kind of sound that you want to put out there? Are Ghanaians accepting that sound?
I mean, I think Ghanaians are ready to accept any type of sound, given how you present it to them. Yeah, and I mean, so far it's going well. I mean, the reactions, the people are coming up to me, telling me how much they love the sound. And it just, keeps me on my feet, and I just want to give them the best I can.
I'm sorry, but I keep looking at his hair. Like,
I know, it's okay. That's
he
your
has
hair, right?
so much
Yeah.
hair.
Yeah. So how long have you been keeping this?
Almost 3 years, yeah.
He has so
Almost
much
3
hair.
years. So if I leave my hair for 3 years, I can get this.
Maybe not.
Is it
sure, I'm
possible?
sure.
You're
You can
sure?
try.
I'll try. But Day on the Track, where do you get that name from?
It's my name, actually. My name is Day Danso Atayao.
Oh, Danso Arthur Yao.
Yeah. But most of the time, I like to change the A with our tree. So my name basically is Benjamin Day Arthur. But Day on the Track was chosen because, like, when I put Day out there, but I couldn't stand out with the music platforms
Yeah.
and so
I
my
love
friends used
Day
to
on
call
the
me on
Track.
the track,
Yeah,
on
it
the
sounds
track,
good.
on the track. Yeah,
Day
so
on
I
the
just
Track.
had to just add that one to it.
Yeah, I really like it. So, do you feel like your name has also sort of like put you out there as a different artist?
I think
sort
so.
of, yeah.
I think so. Because
Okay.
I feel like sometimes people can't even like just know where I'm from. So like,
It's
a
a
lot of
name that is
Ghanaian
going
press,
to,
they
let
just
you
like to pitch
go
me
out
into
there.
a different country. One time I saw a journalist calling me a South African artist, and I was
Hey!
Oh, you're like, okay, bring it on. Like, it's okay. I welcome it, And let's talk about the movement in Tema. I mean, you're repping Tema now. You're repping Tema, right?
yeah.
Yeah, what do you make of the movement that the boys in Tema have pushed all these years?
Serious energy, man. Like,
The support for each other.
There's no other place in like Tema. Like,
Yeah.
nah. The boys, the talents in Tema is crazy. Like, people are just coming in to learn the craft, to like understand the energy. And like the people there, when they know you do music, the appeal you give to them is like different level.
Roughly, how many studios do you think that there are in the Tema? It's like,
I'm not sure anyone can
can
count.
count. It's like, wow.
There are more studios than kiosks in Tema.
But that's a good thing.
Yes.
And I like
it is.
how Tema is now a hub for music.
Do you think?
You know?
Do you think maybe government or whatever institutions, private agencies should take up, Tema being, like she said, a hub of music, maybe in Ghana, and nurture very young artists coming up? Do you think it's something they should look into?
I mean, knowing Ghana for so long, I think they could, but I'm not sure if that's like a possibility for them. But if they don't, we are like up for it. We just keep doing what
Pushing,
we're
you
doing.
don't care, like you're going.
Yeah.
That's right. Streets.
I know, right?
That's the
But-
way of the streets.
Okay, so it's Foodie Friday, as you know. We made some fruit salad today.
I really wanted to try it. I was
Don't worry, you will. You will. Try mine. Okay, you like it.
Sure.
But what's your favorite fruit?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Do you know what? I was going to bring some watermelon today, but it was huge, and I was like, I can't carry this thing. It's
I'm
too
just
big.
taking a slice.
I couldn't even cut it. That's how big it is. I think I need a hammer or something like that to just whack it.
Speaking of which, and we had a conversation also on Lifestyle Daily today about intertribal marriage. I mean, I think you're young. I think if you get around to want to settle or date someone, do you mind where the person is coming from, the tribe? You're Fanti.
Yeah, fancy.
Ideally.
I'm not so sure about if it will be a factor.
Yeah.
Maybe when it comes to like extended family, it would probably be, being honest, I mean, like, it would probably be on certain levels, but I'm not sure it will hinder my preference as a person.
Okay, and if your extended family is against it, would you still go ahead?
Yeah,
You still go
because
ahead?
it's
It's your
my
decision.
choice,
Yo, Gen Z, like millennials are no longer. Anyways,
Absolutely,
but
I
Day on the Track.
Yeah.
Man, I enjoyed this conversation.
Me
And
too.
we wish you all the
I did as
best
well.
over here at the
Absolutely.
AM Club. And you're a club member now, so
Yes.
Thank you.
wherever.
We want all the exclusives, by the way. That's what he's trying to say. The exclusives. Bring
problem.
it here.
I understand.
But then if anybody wants to listen to your music, reach out to you. Where do they go?
Spotify, Audiomack, Apple Music,
SoundCloud.
Boomplay, SoundCloud, and on my Instagram, on my Twitter. And,
Which is what?
Day on the Track, at
Okay.
Day on the Track,
Okay.
everywhere.
All right.
Twitter, Facebook, even WhatsApp.
Nice one.
There you have
Yeah,
it.
nice
Well, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in this whole week from Monday to Friday on the AM Club Live on MX24. But it's the end of the road for us this week. I'm going to relax, guys. At least give me the 2 days for me to relax, okay? But thank you so much for watching the AM Club today. We want to say a very big thank you to our guests. Who do we have today, Godwin?
Although we've come to the end. I can sing. My goodness. Wow. Anyways.
You can, babe. You can.
Yeah, whatever. So on Lifestyle Daily, I'd like to say a big thank you to our guests who came on, Marina Dosu, and, forgive me. I've forgotten the other person. But Marina Dosu.
I've got you.
Please tell me. Yes, Abena Utopia.
Yes.
Abena Utopia, I'm sorry. Abena Utopia and Marina Dosu. Thank you for joining me on Lifestyle Daily to have that conversation. And on Foodie Friday, Edma and I.
You made some amazing
Yes.
fruit salad, which you can re-watch the show on our YouTube page at MX24GH.
And big ups today on the track for joining us on
Yes.
The Plug. We're back here next week, Monday, but our programming does not stop on MX24 TV. Make sure you stay tuned to enjoy all the amazing stuff we have for
Yes,
you.
yeah.
But for us now, I've got my number on all social media platforms if you want to reach me.
And I'm Edma Ohima Lawe at Edma Lawe, EDMALAWER on all social media platforms. Do make sure you tweet me or you message me on Instagram or something, okay? I just want to hear from you guys. Do that, okay?